Ladies and gentlemen, you are highly welcome back to today's video, and you're welcome back to my channel. So it's good to have you here, and I'm sure it's good for you to see me. So if you're seeing my face for the very first time, you are highly welcome. So in today's video, I'm basically going to be showing you a very simple remedy using baking soda literally, and of course Vaseline. Like, mixing these things together is bomb, is amazing. It helps your, like, I'm gonna be telling you what this will do on your skin as you watch the video. So do endeavor to watch the video till the very end so you can see all of the amazing ingredients, how this is gonna help your skin, how this is gonna glow you up. So if you're actually having all of those challenges, like your skin is not healthy, your skin is not responsive to cream, to scrub and all of that, do not worry, I have a solution and this particular solution will do you a whole lot of good. Okay, all right you guys, so let me take you right into the video, and do not forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and let us go. All right you guys, so to transform your skin in few minutes, you guys, it's just this particular remedy that I'm gonna be showing you. Okay, and this will basically help you to transform your skin a whole lot. Okay, so the very first ingredient we're going to be needing is baking soda, okay, which is a bicarbonate of soda. Okay, and I'm gonna be using 1.5 tablespoons. This is a great moisturizing property that helps to moisturize the skin. It helps to leave the skin rejuvenated. It helps to leave the skin glowing. Okay, because it scrubs out all of the dead skin cells. So the very next ingredient we're needing is Vaseline, which is petroleum jelly. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to be scooping in my petroleum jelly. And then I'll mix it up. Then I'll be needing just a little of this black castor oil. This one. Black castor oil. Then I'll mix and it will get looser. And then we're going to be making use of potato. Now, potato is one anti-aging property. It helps to nourish and moisturize the skin, and it also helps to keep the skin glowing. Okay, so I'm going to be needing just a little piece of potato. I'm gonna go boil this potato, all right, and then I will be right back to show you my potato puree. So here is my potato, blended potato. So you're gonna scoop about 2 to 3 spoons, depending on how plenty you want that. Okay, just scooping it in here. And you guys, this is great. This is amazing. Alright, so this is it. Alright, so let's go and apply and so it transform our skin, make the skin look younger, firmer, and tightens the skin a whole lot. So here is our remedy. Okay, it looks a little thick, right? Looks a little thick. It was thick though, it looks thicker because I refrigerated it. So what I'm going to do, I just love to dab my face. You guys, anytime you want to apply treatment like this, if you have the time to do it, just make sure you dab your face with water and then, you know, before applying it, before using it. Okay, so after which then I grab my treatments and then use it generously. Smells good too. And just apply this generously. Make sure you give it a generous application all over your face. This feels really tight on my skin already, even without waiting for a little while. Okay, it feels really tight. All of the ingredients in here are superb. You can see I'm applying it towards the upper direction because I want my face to get tighter and firmer. Yep. Okay, you guys. So after that is done, what I'm gonna do is that I can either leave it this way or I can just massage a little. Okay, the layer in which I apply is so much. It's so thick, and I just love the consistency of this treatment, and I love how it feels on my skin. Okay. Feels really good on my skin right now.
So after which you're going to leave this, and it's not going to dry because of the oil in it, but it's just going to continue it. When you apply this, you're just going to know how this feels. This feels really good. It feels so good, you guys. So for this, you can actually use it at least once a day, you know, to transform your skin, make your skin, you know, look very polished, and then make your skin look so good the next day. Okay, so at least once a week is perfect for this particular glow, you know, treatment.
So yeah, you have seen me apply it on my face. Like, I literally love the way this, you know, looks, and I literally love the aftermath of this. Okay, like, it makes my skin so beautiful. It gives me that glow. It makes my face so smooth, and it literally keep my skin so young. Okay, you wanna know the secret to my young face? You wanna know well, for the haters, they'll be like, okay, you're not young, whatever. But yeah, I love the way my skin is, so go give this a go, and I'm sure you're gonna be loving it. This is amazing. This is gonna help. This is gonna be really glowing. Okay, so I'll see you again in my next video, and do not forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share, and bye.